A stunning ride up the east coast of Vancouver Island, getting lucky, seeing lots of wildlife.
Thing out there is a seal.
Part 41 of my solo cross-country ride on my Tiger, exploring beautiful beaches and scenery along the way. I started this ride over a month ago in Texas.
I am at Qualicum. The tide is in. This is a big sandy bay when the tide is out. And now is the time to swim on a nice warm sand. There's one of the local pubs. Shady Rest. It's a good pub. I don't know if the bay is quite as sandy on this end. I think it's a little bit more weedy. Seaweedy. And there's a lot of bikes here. Awesome. Coal car. Another coal car. There was a car show in Victoria last weekend, the weekend before. I lose track of time. Okay. Yes, this is a road. Alright. That's correct. Right now I am cutting from the old Island Highway to the new Island Highway, the highway inland. This road is neither Island Highway. Look at that mountain. Just go to the top of the mountain over the trees there. Now I am on the new Island Highway. The little Qualicum River is down there. Little Qualicum Falls, I believe, is the provincial park where the swimming holes are. And look at that view. Very pretty. It is the perfect temperature. It is a good road. Not much traffic at all. Alright, this is very pretty and relaxing. I could fall asleep. Look at all the bikes. Awesome. And those mountains. Wow. Very nice. Comox Valley. Yep, it's pretty. This highway was built last time I was here and the last time I came up, but I am not familiar with it at all. I'm more familiar with the old highway. I have only been on this one a few times. I definitely don't know my way around. Ah, there is a Air Force base here. I see mountains behind me. Welcome to Courtney. Okay, no idea. That's not normal also. Card lock. Alright. Husky is a gas station, right? Okay, so yes. Let's go in the shade. This is a normal gas station. Not diesel. So at the same pumps, we have diesel. We have all the regular gas station gases, and we have marine gas. Huh, alright. This is the bay that we have gone kayaking in before. Out there to the ocean. And there's an island out there that's sandy. It has a very nice sandy beach. And there was eagles. Actually, it's very cool. There were eagles on the little sandbars having a feast. There's the mountains. So beautiful that is.
This is the Courtney River. It runs out to the Comox Harbor. This is where I kayaked years before. The eagles and the seals came really close to us while we were kayaking. The These two are headed back to the trees, where I could hear them talk to each other. The eagles in the tree.
I've never heard them make that noise.
So there was another one down here fishing. And I don't see him anymore. Oh, there's something in the water over there though. I think there's a seal. Yep, that's a seal. Straight out. The only moving thing out there is a seal.
The blob in the water is a seal. An eagle is coasting in the waterway, getting ready to land on the structure. Looks like a nice perch for fishing. I'm not sure technically where Comox starts and Courtney ends. I always think of once you're over that bridge here in Comox, but I know that's wrong. Very cool. Almost missed that. The totems on the front. There we go. Welcome to Comox. Oh, that answered my question. We'll pass the bridge. The movement in the water is an otter. He just went under. He'll pop up again. And the seagulls have found some salmon that they're trying to tear apart. Let's see if Mr. Otter comes back. Hoping he's coming to check out the salmon. Oh, he popped up again.
Go swim. Stand in the water.
Yeah, here's the otter coming back to shore.
Oh yeah. He's going fast now. He's got something.
Second time he's done this.
He's going on the beach. He wouldn't move that fast.
Oh,
Yeah, I think he's got,
Watch
he
him
or
get
she,
up and run up.
has got babies up there as my guess and feeding them. Something like that.
There he goes.
what's he doing?
He's going up there.
Yeah, that's where he went before. There he goes. These are so cute.
He came out.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's where he went last time too. I think he's got a little home up there that someone is feeding is my guess. The seagulls are still down here tearing apart the salmon.
The otter back in the water? I'm assuming he's fishing. A bird got a piece of the salmon. Smartly found a quiet place to eat it.
Eagles are chasing the seagulls off. So the eagle's flying in circles, big circles right now. And there you go, swoop down. They're after something. One of the eagles is down on the ground. After the same meal.
Really special to be able to see the eagles in their natural habitat so closely. I don't have the best camera, but am using my telephoto lens. I could stay here all day and watch the wildlife. What an amazing place. Also, very cool, the animals do not seem to be bothered by the people. The runway is just behind the beach. Went for a walk down the beach. A beautiful day to enjoy the waterfront. Heading back towards town, I passed this. Pretty awesome, but have no idea the story behind it. If you know, please add it to the comments below. Made a stop at a local blueberry farm. Of course, picked up some delicious fresh blueberries. Taking a walk in the woods. Very cute, people added monkeys to the monkey tree. The walking path is behind the neighborhood. I love that you can see the glacier all over town. Had a local beer at a yummy Canadian restaurant. Finished off the day watching the sunset at the beach. Hit like, subscribe, share, and add a comment below. Thanks for watching. Follow me on social media.